We are looking at how to pronounce this name as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing French food names too, some of the most mispronounced ones, so make sure to stay tuned for those. This is a type of appetizer, mainly found in the eastern part of French Riviera, northern Italy, and Moncaco, a kind of fritter stuffed with Swiss chard and ricotta. How do you say it in French? In France it is said as Barbajuan, 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 Barbajuan. It'd be fine in English to say it as Barbajuan, Barbajuan. And now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting food names and cooking terms from France whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Merci.